Hey, Psycho coming at you 10/4/2015. Got all my chili done. I got a little time to kill before football starts. I see everybody's got a real piss hard on about these Fed Red 555 value packs. That's the next craze that I see. So I'm gonna hit at least the Walmart near my ranch here, the one that hates my guts. And this was basically the last place where I got them before I got into all that freaking trouble. But everybody seems to really be up on this, and pick it up in the store. Let's see what we got. Okay, got the barcodes, and let's see what's going on. This is the Walmart where I am definitely their most hated customer, and feelings are mutual. Okay, leaving the local Wally World, and just like everybody else, when I scanned the UPC for the Fed Reds, they have been showing here for quite some time stock not available. So it went from stock not available to 0 in stock. So maybe somebody's onto something. They did have the famous yellow, we don't have any 22LR sign up there. I also did scan 15, 16 other barcodes for 22LR, and there was nothing there. I didn't even bother getting anybody to Gemini scan it to see if anything was within a certain radius or in transit. I had to laugh at the rollback price on the Federal 9mm 115 grain. Can't remember what, 17, whatever it was, you know, a couple of bucks off. And then right next to it, they got the 100 round pack for $24.79 or whatever it was. So yeah, that's such a great deal. But anyway, I've got to go back to Bass Pro here in a little bit. I've got to take some papers to the recycle bin over at the school. And there's another Walmart over there. And I might try the same shit over there to see what's going on. But anyway, that's the status update for Fed Reds, Northwest Indiana. Psycho 10/4/2015 over and out.